Good morning. This is the second day of our peace relief mission with the Tacloban Church of Christ in partnership with the March for Christ. And we are having now the meeting with Brother Welch, the minister of the Tacloban Church of Christ.
The coupons will now be Xerox doon, no? Then mag-divide yan siya. Then maybe some of you, Charlie will do the organizing sa ano. Mag-distribute ng coupons sa Utap, Apitong, Youngfield, and Agiktik, no? And you'll be distributing coupons. The distribution will be in the afternoon. After lunch siguro, with several shelter, maybe 2 o'clock. So, right now, you wait for us because we will be buying kasi mga rice at saka mga goods, no? Rice. Oh, wala na kasing ko, na-pack na kagabi eh. Na-pack na kagabi. So maybe now just wait for the coupons, no? And then divide. How will we divide? Yeah.
Gusto namin sakyanan. So,
maybe i-drop.
Ako rin i-drop sila.
Oh.
So, i-drop na ko sila, pero kaya naman ano siya yung buhaton, o special ang tagaan, kasi manikanan, itaw big tagaan. Katulog yung itaw na itong totally affected sa baha.
Or maybe we could drop by sa kapitan muna and give some few coupons.
Oo, kapitan. Pag kasi kapitan nga bago din ron.
Hindi ka alam saan ang bahay yan.
Wow, okay ba?
Pagpunta ng tita.
This is the building that we repacked all the goods to be distributed today.
Apitong, Youngfield, and
Tagiktik.
Agiktik.
San Jose.
San Jose. Nakuha niyan. And then,
Pero how many bags should be made? How many bags are we going to use? Kaya ito, meron siguro 100. 300 more?